Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys Show Music Beats, a new feature in Resolve V20. So now if you right click on a clip here, the last category is Show Music Beats. And you'll get these little markers on your track showing you what AI interprets as a beat within the music. This works pretty well. I've compared it on a track with a full mix versus one that's a stripped down drum track. Now, I'll show you how this works with the video clips in just a second, but I wanted to show you sort of another way you could do this. Before, you would take this track, which has a few different instruments in it. So with the AI Music Remixer on this track, I can actually export out like a drum-only mix. With that on, we're going to hop over to the Fairlight page. We choose the track with the stripped-down AI Music Remixer. We go to Timeline, Audio, and we can choose Bounce Mix to New Track right here. And then that'll give us a chance to either bounce it to a brand new track, it'll create it, or we can choose a track that we already have created. So that's what I did up here. Track number 1 is that track without the AI Music Remixer running. So I got a drum only. And if we compare the waveforms, you could see it's just a lot less busy and it's a little more easily identifiable where all the beats are. Now, if we right click and say back on the edit page, this option's not available on Fairlight, but you have to choose Show Music Beats, and you'll get this little white marker where it's perceiving the beats. And if we do the same thing on the track above it, you can see it's off a little bit, but essentially all the beats are marked about the same. So that might be an option. You might prefer it, you might not, if you're wanting to work with just drums only and then maybe go back to your original mix. Now, kind of works like your snapping does right here in the middle. If you have two clips and you want them to snap together, if you have snapping on, it'll get to the edge of the clip and snap to it. Now, if you have show beats, it'll do the same thing down below. So we have a marker right here. If we start moving this clip, you can see we get these little arrow indicators when it hits one of the beats. This one, for instance, we could park here and we'll move this one right up next to it. And now this will cut right on the beat. I already used this on another project. It worked pretty well. Kind of laid things in roughly. And then you can grab the edit between the 2 points and move it to a beat. And it kind of cleans it up without having to put much thought into it. Now you can right click and disable these show beats at any time. And that'll stop the snapping behavior, and then you can just free float your clips. So however you like to do it, it looks a little bit cleaner with just this stripped down drum mix. I can kind of see where the beats are a little bit easier than the original mix here. And then we could always delete that and just, go back to the original mix as it were. All right, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you this new Music Beats feature. It's on all your clips, and you can bounce that out to a new track if you wanted a cleaner way to even cut to the beat. All right, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you got a video you want me to take a stab at, and I'll keep an eye out for your comments. See you guys on the next one.